Here's how to sell over $200,000 on Amazon in 30 days. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a successful Amazon seller business. 90% of the success from Amazon selling comes from online arbitrage. For example, you buy an item online like Walmart or Alibaba for $10 and flip it on Amazon for $20. Most items you buy on Amazon are actually following this type of model. It sounds simple, but the devil is always in the details. First, you'll need an Amazon seller's account. Sign up for an account on Amazon and then they'll give you a short interview just to confirm you're a real human. Easy stuff. However, when you start, almost every product will be gated, which means you won't be able to sell an item in that category until it's ungated. You get ungated in categories by buying from a wholesaler, meaning you can't just sell one piece of item one time. You need to carry a large number of items of that product. This isn't eBay where you can just sell whatever once and see how it goes. Some of the best and easiest categories to get ungated are groceries, beauty, health, and household items. Find a wholesaler, Alibaba.com, or any place that sells in bulk, and get an invoice for the cost of these products. For example, perhaps you found a wholesaler who sells iPhone cases, then you can ungate that category and start selling. Remember, in the case of online arbitrage, it's all about margins, finding a product for $10 and selling it for more than that on Amazon. Next, you'll need to source these products, and that means you'll need Seller AMP and Keepa, around $20 per month each. Using these tools, you can reverse source other sellers, meaning you can find out where other sellers are buying their products to sell on Amazon, essentially copying a tried and proven method of selling on Amazon. Then you can Google these products to see if you can find it cheap enough to profit from. After that, you need to figure out shipping. Once you have sourced and bought a profitable item, it's time to get them to your customers. Fortunately for you, Amazon makes the shipping really easy for sellers. You'll need to ship all your inventory to an Amazon warehouse. Amazon will do the actual shipping and handling of the products on their end through the Amazon FBA program, fulfilled by Amazon. You send your entire inventory to Amazon and Amazon will take care of any orders, shipping, handling, and even refunds. Yes, you can ship your items yourself, but you'll have to deal with all the trouble and trips to the post office. Another benefit of having Amazon to take care of the distribution is that your inventory will qualify for Prime shipping. That means items in the Amazon warehouse can be shipped to customers in as little as 1 to 2 days, which is good for you. And lastly, you need to figure out how much you should price your item. Spend a few minutes each day watching the prices of your competitors on Amazon to see how much they're selling and how much they're discounting their products. There are a few softwares that can help you automate the process so that the computer can put in the optimal price for you. As long as you don't price too high, you're going to see sales coming in. Because Amazon is its own ecosystem, there is little to no marketing involved in the process, which is always the biggest hurdle with online stores. The most important part is to get a product that will sell and that you can source at a price where you can still make a profit after selling it. Selling on Amazon is a great way to make money online. You don't even need to create your own product. So what are your thoughts? Are you planning to sell something on Amazon? Comment below. And as always, take care of your money.